Everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, and today in this session I will be discussing ARM controller subject, in that Unit 1, ARM Embedded Systems and ARM Processor Fundamentals, Lecture 3 and 4. The contents which will be discussed in this session are Embedded System Hardware, AMBA Bus Technology and AMBA Bus Protocol. First we'll see Embedded System Software. The block diagram for embedded system software is displayed. From small sensors found on production line to the real-time control systems used on NASA space are controlled by embedded systems. Thus, embedded systems can control many different devices. All these devices use a combination of software and hardware components. Each component is chosen for efficiency and, if applicable, is designed for future extension and expansion. The figure shows typical embedded device based on ARM core. Each block does a specific function. The lines connecting the blocks are the buses used to carry the data. The embedded system hardware is divided into four main hardware components. They are ARM processor, controllers, peripherals, and buses. The device is mainly controlled by the ARM processor. Different versions of ARM processors are available to suit the desired operating characteristics. An ARM processor comprises a core and peripherals. The core is an execution engine that processes instructions and manipulates data. The peripherals are surrounding components that interface it with a bus, such as memory management and cache. Next, controllers. Controllers are mainly used to coordinate important functional blocks of the system. Interrupt and memory controllers are the two commonly used controllers. The peripherals provide all the input-output capability external to chip and are responsible for uniqueness of the embedded device. A bus is used to communicate between different parts of the device, that is to exchange the data between the device. Next we will see ARM bus technology. There are two different classes of devices attached to the bus. They are bus master and bus slave. Embedded systems use different bus technologies. The most common PC bus technology is PCI, that is Peripheral Interconnect Component, is used to connect such devices. First we will see what is bus master. The ARM processor core is a bus master. It is a logical device capable of initiating a data transfer with another device across the same bus. Bus slave. Peripherals tend to be bus slaves. These are the logical devices capable only of responding to a transfer request from a bus master device. The bus has two architecture levels. The first is a physical level and the second is a protocol level. Physical level, it is an architecture that covers the electrical characteristics, which is having a bus width of like 16, 32 or 64 bits. Another is protocol level. Protocol level architecture is the logical rules that governs the communication between processor and peripheral. Next we will see what is AMBA bus protocol. The word AMBA stands for Advanced Microcontroller Bus Architecture. It was introduced in 1996. AMBA bus protocol has been widely used as on-chip bus architecture for ARM processors. Initially, there are three AMBA buses. The first AMBA bus introduced were the ARM systems, that is ASP. The second was ARM peripheral bus. The third is ARM high performance bus. AHB, that is ARM high performance bus is based on centralized multiplexed bus scheme and is an ASB, that is ARM peripheral bus is bidirectional bus design. Thus AHB provides higher data throughput than ASB. ARM has introduced two variations on AHB bus, that is multi-layer AHB and AHB Lite. Thank you.